What all documents are needed to form a company? What is the role of secretary? What is the role of directors in this company? What types of companies are formed? How to run that company? First of all, I would like to thanks our president Sudhakar Rao Jadhavar sir and vice president Shardul Rao Sudhakar Rao Jadhavar sir and our principal Kavita Kale ma'am, who give me a chance to express my words. I am going to express my words on SP and OCM subject, which is Secretarial Practice and Organization of Commerce and Management. SP subject is related to whole on company, how a company is formed, what all documents are needed to form a company, what is the role of secretary, what is the role of directors in this company, what types of companies are formed, how you can do your business, how you can form your company, uh, all the documents related to how after starting a company what all certificate are needed, all these things are there in this subject. After that, you come to learn about how a company raise its shares, how a company raise its share capital, its own capital, what is share capital, what is debentures, all these things are there in secretarial practice subject. OCM is related to whole management. Management means it is based on some principles like Henry Fayol and F.W. Taylor has formed some principle. On that principles and theories, this subject is related. If you wanted to start, if you wanted to achieve your company's goal, then this subject helps you a lot. Management subject helps you a lot, like these theories and these principles helps you how to achieve a goal of a company, how a company is managed, in what way the company is managed, all these things are there in this subject. This SP subject and OCM subject, both the subject go simultaneously, because after forming a company, it is not just important to form a company, but how to run that company, how the targets are achieved in the company, all these things are there in management, comes under management. If you have a good management in your company, then you can form a very good company, you can achieve your goals. These subjects, these both the subjects, students take that it is very casual for both the subject, but it is not like that. These subjects are there for degree, means this SP subject is converted after in your degree, it is converted in business law or C law. And this OCM subject is converted in business communication, business management. If you have base, if your base is cleared in this in this 11 12 in your senior college, you can means at your degree, when you are studying degree, then the subjects will help you a lot. If you are studying it properly now, then it will help you. Even the subjects are there in CA also, in CA course also, CLO is there. SP, this is base, whatever you are learning now, it is base now. It will help you to make your base clear when you are doing CA. In that CA, CLO subject is there, it will make perfect for you. Even this management, business management subject is there in CA course, which will help you. And there is business ethics also subject is there, this will help you to know what all things are there in this subject, and it will make your base very clear. Student should not take it as very casual while doing the studies for this. uh, and they are easy if you are studying it very properly, it is easy. If you are doing by your own, it is easy. uh, this one can studying these two subject, one can form his own business, his own company. Thank you.